Hi everybody, we just checked into Grand Marina, Eurostars Grand Marina here in Barcelona. So we're here for the next 2 nights before we board the Symphony of the Seas this Sunday. Check out our room. We have the city suite, quadruple city suite to accommodate 4 of us. So right when you walk in, heading this way is our bathroom. So nice fixtures in here. Nolan says our bathroom is super fancy. There's a hair dryer in here. There's also amenities as well as combs and toothbrushes and toothpaste. This way is toilet and a bidet and some toiletries as well in the shower. Everything is really nicely done in here. Looks to be kept well and is super clean. So heading out this way into the main portion of the room, but before we get there, I just want to note that this door does open up and there's a similar room, the same exact room on the other side of the door. So if you had a larger family or older children, you could get 2 of them and then they would just connect. So heading out into the main room area, we have a king size bed. It looks to be like an actual king-size bed, not like a European 2 twins stuck together. And then we have some hanging space in here as well as a full-length mirror. Some complimentary robes and complimentary slippers as well. And then we have a coffee machine that's fully stocked, as well as a water warmer or a tea kettle, some complimentary waters, and the phone over there, and then also a second closet with a second full-length mirror, some drawer space in here, and the safe. So heading over this way, again, just the king-size bed, and then this is really nice. It's like a sliding door that gives a little bit of space in between the sleeping areas, which is nice with the kids, especially with the time change. And you don't have to like wake them up. And then this area over here is kind of like our seating area. So if we didn't have the kids or during the day, even if we do have the kids, if we wanted to close up the bed, it would be a couch and just a really nice living space for us with 2 chairs and then a seating area for some dining inside the room, another huge flat screen TV, and then heading into this corner over here, there is a stocked mini fridge. So all in all, I think it's a pretty spacious room, again, for a European hotel. Just to head out onto the balcony and give you a peek of our view. So we can see Barcelona Marina over in that direction, which we're gonna take a walk later tonight. We can see the Christopher Columbus statue over there. You can see Sagrada Familia even. Way out in the distance if you can see it. And then over here we have the sky trolley that will take us, we're gonna do it tomorrow, take us all the way from the W Barcelona Hotel all the way to the top of the mountain over there. We'll check out that palace. And we are right at the very bottom of Las Ramblas. So Las Ramblas begins right there where Christopher Columbus statue is. So all in all, I think it's a fantastic location. Looks to be easy walking. Down below, there's a little cafe, which from the reviews that I read seems to be delicious. Oh, it's right there. For a breakfast spot as well as some snacks later in the evening. And then we are right next door to the cruise port. So I don't know which ship this is, but it is the smaller ships that happen to dock on this peninsula over here. So yeah, again, I think it's a wonderful location here in Barcelona. If you're interested in booking this hotel before a cruise, please reach out to us with Paul and Ashley, Magic Vacation Planners.
Thanks for watching and safe travels.